Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Vivo Y200 have an ultra wide angle camera or not. Now to check if the Vivo Y200 have an ultra wide angle camera or not, just open the camera app. Now as you can see, there is no option for 0.5x option. Just like that. You only have 1x and a zoom option. But there is no option of 0.5x, which means the Vivo Y200 does not have an ultra wide angle camera. And this is how you can check if the Vivo Y200 have an ultra wide angle camera or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.